Hello students, let us try to understand the polymerization reaction, right? So polymerization reaction of alkynes is just like the alkene student. So first one is the linear polymerization and second one is cyclic polymerization. So let us try to understand the linear polymerization of alkyne student. Under the suitable conditions, linear polymerization of ethynes takes place to produce polyacetylene or polythene polythene, polyethylene, which is high molecular weight polythene containing the repeating units of CH, double bond CH, single bond CH, and double bond CH. So this is the repeating unit and can be represented by as CH, double bond CH, single bond CH, double bond CH, and time. So under the special condition, these polymers conduct electricity. Thin film of polyacetylene can be used as the electrodes in the batteries. These films are good conductors, lighter and cheaper than the metal conductors. Okay, so that is the no the straight chain of the polythene is also being used as a electrodes for the batteries. So when you talk about the linear polymerization of linear polymerization student, so what is the formula of the linear polymerization of ethine, right student? So that is the first one is this is the high molecular mass, no, this is there student CH2, and this will be the CH, not CH2 student. This will be that is CH. So this is the n time will be there, and this is also this is the here will be the this is the student polyethylene. Okay, this is the polyethylene. So this polyethylene is what is student, this is being formed, this polyethylene is being formed by polymerization of ethane. You can see the reaction student, how you can see the reaction. It's not given student. N molecule of CH, triple bond CH you are taking. This is the catalyst. In the presence of catalyst you are reacting, N molecule is there, so it will give CH, double bond CH, single bond CH, double bond CH, and here is N time. This is the okay, this is the polyethylene. Next one is there cyclic polymerization. Cyclic polymerization. Ethine on passing through a red hot iron tube at 873 Kelvin undergoes cyclic polymerization. Okay. What is there student? They are saying ethine on passing through red hot iron tube at 873 Kelvin undergoes cyclic polymerization. Three molecules are polymerized to form benzene, which is the starting molecule for the preparation of the derivatives of benzene. Three molecules polymerize to form benzene, which is the starting molecule for the preparation of the derivatives of benzene, dyes, drugs, and large number of other organic compounds. This is the best route for the entering from the aliphatic to aromatic compound as discussed below. So this is what is the student ethine is there, and when this is the the triple bond is becoming the double bond here, single bond double bond. So that is if you are passing red hot iron tube 873 Kelvin, so it is giving the benzene. So it's a very simple reaction student, you can easily understand. We are having that is CH triple bond CH, again we are having CH triple bond CH, and here is CH triple bond CH, right? This will go here, this will go here, this will go here. So what will form student? Here is CH, this is CH, this is CH, downside CH, CH, and here is CH. So here if you see student, double bond, double bond, double bond, this is single, this is single, this is single, this is what is that is benzene student, right? So this is all about the polymerization reaction of the ethine student. In the linear polymerization I told you that is polythene you will get, and that is the highly molecular weight compound, which is the conductor of the electricity used as a electrode for the batteries. And here if you are talking about the cyclic polymerization, three molecule of ethine undergoes polymerization to give the benzene. When you are passing the vapors of this ethine under the red hot iron tube at 873 Kelvin, so you will get the benzene. Thank you so much for watching friends.